Do you want to become a better graphic designer, create stunning looking websites, or edit your photos professionally but don't know where to begin? Have you ever tried learning Photoshop, the world's leading photography and design editing software, but felt overwhelmed by how much it has to offer? Well, don't worry. I've created this course just for you. This Photoshop course is designed specifically with you in mind to teach you everything that you've ever wanted to know about Photoshop. Whether you are a designer, an artist, or photographer, you will find something in this course to help you with your projects. With over 15 hours of content and over 100 additional project files, I've made sure to cover every aspect of this wonderful program. I break down each part of the application in a simple, step-by-step manner so that you can learn from the basics and build up to an advanced level of understanding Photoshop. In this course, you will learn about Photoshop's interface, working with and editing images, selecting and using layers, all of Photoshop's tools, adding type, understanding color, and you will learn other useful tools like alignment and filters. This course is jam-packed with information that you can watch as a guide through every lecture, or you can jump directly to the section that you specifically need help with. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge to begin working inside Photoshop. You will have a framework of education to become Photoshop certified by Adobe, and you will even have the abilities that will help you land a career as a professional designer or photographer. What are you waiting for? The time is now to learn this awesome piece of software, and this is the best course to do just that. Enroll now, and I will be with you every step of the way. I look forward to seeing you in the first lecture.